Yeah, we were great friends. He was my best man.
Yun nga eh. But then yun nga, that incident happened, bumagsak si Samboy, and you were involved in it, and that must have been a tough situation, no?
It was hard. You don't want to see anyone, especially your best friend, you know, undergo that kind of an incident. Medyo scary talaga yun.
How badly did you want Samboy to be part of that exhibition game? To wear that number 9 San Miguel uniform?
Well, one of
Would
the
have been
reasons,
perfect.
yeah, it would have been, but one of the reasons really why you guys put up the Legends Foundation is because of
Yeah, to help Samboy.
Samboy and the other ex-pros, diba? Ex-PBA players. But you know, it would have been perfect, like Jola said, na nandun si Samboy. Inaputan ko pa si Samboy sa sa San Miguel.
Talaga?
Yeah, may towards the end of his career. We never won a championship together, but you know, madami akong inabutan ng mga players. Si Abby King inabutan ko pa sa